Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And in today's session we are going to learn facade design in Revit. And to design facade we are going to use this model. Okay, so to design the facade, very first thing is we need to create one family in the Revit. Okay, then we will apply massing and then we will use that family. So if you want to create this kind of full project, okay, then we can also make one video on this. For that, guys, please comment below. Now let's start today's topic. So for that, you just need to go to the files, and from the files you need to select the new, and then you just click on family. This kind of interface will come. Just go back, then select English Imperial, and from English Imperial we need to select curtain panel pattern based. So when you will open that, this kind of interface will come. Okay, so now we want to add facade in the square pattern. So for that we need to check the height. So our height is 10 feet. So we will use one side as 10 feet, another side as 4 feet. Now we need to add one point exactly at the center. So to do that, we will go to the top view. Okay, we'll select point from here, and at the center we'll place one point. Here also we'll place one point. Then we will select the line. We will join this. Again, we will use this point element, place exactly at the center. Okay, so now we have point element exactly at the center. Now select that point and come to the front view like this. Now use move command. Move this as 1 feet. Now we have point at 1 feet. Okay, we need to select this draw on face. Select this line, select this, join to this from here to here. We can delete previous line. Okay, same way we will join this two, here to here and here. Select this by holding control, select this three. From here, click on create form. When we are clicking that, so this form is coming. Offset should be 0. Offset should be 0. Same, you repeat this process for 4 times. Okay, create the form. Offset should be 0. Again, repeat that process for here. Again, our offset should be 0. For here also, our offset should be 0 only. Create form, offset will be 0. Now we have the panel. Okay, obviously it will be ACB panel, so we'll select this. Okay, filter, check none, curtain panels, and I want to give the material. Click on the box beside the material. Now from here, create a new, give the name as aluminum panel or SAP, whatever you want to give. Click on OK. That's it. Now we can save this as well as we can load into our project. So I will load this into our project. Okay. Now this is our project. Okay. We want to give that panel on the front side. Okay. So for that we need to create the massing. Okay. So I'll go to the level 1. Then from here I will select massing and site. I will select that. I will select in place mass. Click on OK. Rectangle command. Draw the rectangle over this. Okay. Now coming up to the 3D and delete this. Why we have used rectangle? Because we want the straight line. Yeah, we wanted the straight line. That's why we have used the rectangle command. Now we have that line. Okay. Now we will go to the elevation. We'll select this line and we will select create form again. So it has already created the form. First of all, we will use that from level 2 to level 3, between level 2 and level 3. Now select this form. Okay. Now there is option called divide surface. There is option called divide surface. You can select that. Okay. If you remember, then a layout has distance of 10 feet in one side and on another side it has 4 feet. So we need to select that. So it will divide between 10 feet and 4 feet. Okay. So same like our panels. Now we can select that. As of now there is no pattern, but we have created this family. Okay, that family 3. Now coming up to the 3D, and as you can see here, it is there. Now I want to provide this family on the level 1 as well. I will go to the elevation. From here we can use this copy and we'll paste that at 10 feet distance. Okay. Now from 3D we can easily see the facade. So suppose I want to make opening here, so I will simply use tab and then delete this. I want another opening here. You can use tab command and delete that. I want another opening here. Tab, delete that. Tab, delete that. So like that, facade is ready. So we can use any kind of facade if you want to provide. Okay, it is looking. Okay. Now just finish massing and it is whatever we have created is live now. I hope this is clear to you guys. Thank you so much for being with us. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.